guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. We are slowly chipping away at the backlog of boxes, so this one is the March Premium box. I know. We're working on it. So anyway, got our little card here. But yes, we're going to go ahead and stick that here. And in no particular order, we're just going to grab it, stuff, and pull them out. So we have got something from Chianti London, which you know I love. So this is their Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. So this retails for $32. And it says, prep skin for flawless dewy makeup application. With a cushiony texture, this primer provides a luminous glow with a dewy glass-like finish. Formulated with brightening vitamin C and dragon fruit extract, rehydrating hyaluronic acid, moisture-boosting yuzu extract, and nourishing vitamin E to create a smooth and hydrated canvas that glows all day. So that's cool. Let's stick that over here for now. Next, we have from Aether Beauty, I think that's how you say it, the Big Bang Mascara. So this is $28, and it says, the ultimate lash maximizing black diamond infused mascara that truly does it all for out of this world length, volume, curl, and definition. I'm sorry, but if you like crushed up diamonds of any sort, black or otherwise, wouldn't that be like really sharp shards on your lashes that is like very close to your eyeballs and very potentially getting in your eyes over the course of the day? That makes me quite nervous. I'll still try it, but definitely makes me nervous, not gonna lie, but maybe I'm nervous for nothing. But it does sound bougie as all fuck. Then we have from Aromatherapy Associates, the De-Stress Muscle Gel. This is $40, and it claims to be focusing and soothing. Experience the cooling, comforting, and transformative power of invigorating black pepper, warming ginger, and detoxifying rosemary in this award-winning gel, the perfect antidote to an intense workout or a demanding day. Well, see, if I had been on top of these boxes, I could have tried this shit when I still worked and see if it would have helped for my frickin' feet, but we shall try it elsewhere as needed. But for now, it can go over here. So anyway, but it sounds really nice though. Like honestly, if it actually works the way they claim, which I don't see why it wouldn't, that does sound really, really nice. Then from the new company, The Pill. Is it just called The Pill? The Pill All-in-One Serum. I just saw The Pill and I was like, huh, something I've never been on. But this is $85 fucking dollars? My god. Vitamin C, AHA, and HA. So this is a single daily dose of high-potency actives designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff the skin. Combining the best of clinical and natural, it delivers a one-step solution to layering multiple acids safely. Okay, so vitamin C plus AHA, which is alpha hydroxy, and then AHA would be hyaluronic acid. Yeah, that seems reasonable. You apply 2 pumps to the face after cleansing, let it absorb for 1 to 2 minutes, and follow with moisturizer. That seems pretty standard. But yeah, honestly, that sounds really nice. Like, that sounds well formulated from what I can tell. Ooh, we got some Grace and Stella. You know I love them. So this is the Everything is Better in Pink Collagen Boosting Eye Masks. The irony, I like try one eye mask and suddenly all the eye masks from everywhere come into my life in like the days following. So this is $24 for 12 pairs, which, given that one pair I tried was $4 for the one, yeah, that seems a lot more reasonable. That would come to like $2 a pair for this pack, so that seems way better. So these Pretty in Pink eye masks are focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes, formulated with palmitoyl tripeptide 5 to stimulate and boost collagen production, fructose to attract and retain moisture in the skin, really? I didn't know fructose does that in the skin, but okay. And horse chestnut to maintain healthy blood circulation. It's been a while since I've seen that pop up in skincare. And strengthen capillaries by dark circles. These eye masks are the key to improving skin texture and firmness. Okay, that sounds pretty darn good. Does it say how often to use, or... It does not. That's okay though. But yeah, that sounds badass. Like, I kind of can't wait to try that. And we got one more thing in here. Ooh, a Charlotte Tilbury. So this is their Airbrush Flawless Foundation. It's $44 in the color 5.5 natural, or neutral, sorry. I don't know how close a match it'll be. It's just what Boxycharm sent me, but let's look. Okay, honestly, I mean, just judging through there, that seems reasonable. I mean, maybe not perfect, but I mean, seems reasonable. At least it's not too dark or anything, so I mean, I can work with that. One way or another, I can work with that. It's not that often that I wear foundation, but I mean, it's nice to have a nice one, though, for the times that I do. So, flawless is a feeling. Unlock the secret to a flawless, poreless-looking skin with Charlotte's award-winning Airbrush Flawless Foundation, a stay-all-day, weightless, full-coverage, science and color formula with a natural matte finish. Very nice indeed. That was everything that was in this box, so pretty darn good, I think. So yeah, anyway, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.